After the pleasure of the grass cutting, cleaning your lawn tractor was a chore. With Cliplift, this maintenance is easy. Position the Cliplift on a hard, level surface and then remove the foot pedal. Insert it into the hydraulic cylinder. Your lawn tractor is now tilted by activating the foot pedal. A safety lever is automatically engaged when the tractor is fully tilted. Once the cleaning is over, gently lower your tractor with one simple maneuver. How convenient! Cliplift can carry all its accessories and be hooked vertically in your garage.